Becoming Lagerfeld, a fashion odyssey. Becoming Karl Lagerfeld is eagerly anticipated by fashion aficionados, offering an intimate portrayal of the renowned German couturier and photographer's life, legacy, and remarkable journey. Recently, Disney Plus debuted the trailer, giving viewers a tantalizing glimpse into the narrative tapestry. Daniel Brühl, known for roles in Rush and Captain America: Civil War, embodies Lagerfeld in the series. Produced by Gaumont and Jour Premier for Disney Plus, it premieres on June 7, available on Hulu in the US. In the trailer and official imagery, Brühl captures Lagerfeld's essence with his signature ponytail and bespoke black suit, emblematic of the designer's later years. Coinciding with these visuals is the announcement that the series will debut at the Canneseries TV festival in April, heightening anticipation. Based on Raphael Bouquet's book, Kaiser Karl, the series chronicles Lagerfeld's rise from a fledgling designer in 1972. The narrative explores Lagerfeld's significant relationships, including his partnership with Jacques Debaucher, portrayed by Théodore Pellerin, and interactions with Yves Saint Laurent, played by Arnaud Valrat, and Pierre Berger, portrayed by Alex Lutz. Agnès Jaoui brings Gabrielle Aguin, founder of Chloé, to life, highlighting her role in Lagerfeld's journey to prominence.